A very good evening to all of you, dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. This is Seema, and today I am going to start the new chapter, division. In this video, I am going to introduce division, the concept. I will make you understand. So hope you all enjoy my earlier videos of Roman numerals. I hope now you are able to write in numbers in the form of Roman numerals. So children, watch this video till end to know more about division. So let's start. And for this, children, I am going to introduce a new clone, that is Jojo. Okay, so what is his name? Jojo. So look, he has 12 colorful balloons in his hand, and he has to divide them into groups of 3. Okay, so divide is what? First let me tell you what is divide. We know that division is what? Let me write also. Division is what? Repeated subtraction. Division is what? Repeated subtraction. Now here you can see he has to divide these balloons into groups of 3. Therefore what John is doing, he is tying groups of 3 balloon, okay, separately. So now he has left 3 balloons, not 3, 9 balloons in his hand. Okay, he has left 3, he tied in 12, 3 he tied, means he has left with 9 balloons in his hand. Okay, again he ties 3 more balloon. Here you can see again he ties 3 more balloon. Total was 9. Okay, and again he has tied 3 balloons. Now he has left with 6 balloons in his hand. One more time, he ties 3 balloons from 3, okay, from 6. Again he ties 3 balloon from 6. Then he left with 3 balloon more in his hand. At last he left with 3 balloons in his hand. Okay, and see here 3 balloons in his hand, and now at last he tied that also. Now he has left with 0. Oops, now he is left with 0 balloon in his hand. So when Jojo ties 12 balloons into equal groups of 3, so how many groups were there total? 4. Okay, he got 4 groups of 3 balloons each. Okay, so this process of repeated subtraction is called division. This process of repeated subtraction is called division, if you know the table of 3. And when we'll subtract divide 12 by 3, then what you will get? 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So 4, it is your answer. Here also you can see total group it is 4. So what is division? Learn it. Division is the process of repeated subtraction. It is the process of repeated subtraction. Here you can see how to divide. 3 4s are 12, and what will come at last? The remainder 0. Now what is this, ma'am? Remainder. So this all are the terms of division. Okay, so first it is dividend. What is dividend? The number to be divided. So here 12, it is the dividend. Okay, because this is 12 that is to be divided. What is divisor? So the number that divides. So here in this division, 3 is the divisor, the number that divides. So 3 is dividing 12, so 3 is the divisor. The answer, that is quotient. In division, the answer that is called quotient. The answer we get on dividing the number. Okay, so here 4 it is the answer, quotient you can say, and at last remainder. So the number that remains after dividing, that is called remainder. Okay, and uh, just always keep in your mind that remainder always less than divisor. Okay, remainder always less than divisor. Here you can see the remainder value it is 0 and divisor value it is 3. So as what I said that remainder is always less than divisor. Okay, and remainder it is 0 and divisor it is 3. Yes, here it is following. Yes, 0 it is less than 3. And what is the notation of division? The notation of division, it is, this is the symbol of division. This is the symbol of division. Okay, now did you notice that the quotient is the equal to the number of times we subtracted? We subtracted it by 4 times, and 4 it is your answer also. So I am sure that you remember. Okay, now let's verify. How to verify? One formula that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, one formula that you have to keep in your mind, that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now keep the values, put the value as it is. Divisor it is 3, so write here 3, into quotient, quotient is equals to 4, so write here 4, and remainder it is 0, so write here 0. So as you know, BAS rule, BAS, bracket, first we do bracket, then addition, and then subtraction. So here it is, oh sorry, here it is multiply and addition. Okay, here it is multiply and addition. So you know the BODMAS rule, BODMAS, I have introduced in the classes also. So here you know already that M for multiplication and A for addition, and because M it is before with respect to A, so we do first multiplication. So 4 3s are 12 and plus 0, and 12 plus 0 is equals to 12. So see, it is equals to the dividend. So now it is verified also that your division it is correct. I hope you understand. Isn't it interesting? So watch it, and one more example I am giving you. Okay, one more example I am giving you. Okay, here I am dividing this 12 by 2. Okay, this 12 by 2. So 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, means here you know that what is the formula? Formula it is dividend is equals to divisor. Divisor is what? Divisor is what? Divisor is 2, so multiply here 2. Quotient is what? 6, so multiply here by 6. And what is the remainder? 0. So 6 2s are 12 plus 0 is equals to 12. So again here 12 is equals to dividend, and here it is dividend. So yes, it is correct. Now I think it is very useful for you. You should watch this. So bye bye children, take care of yourself and watch this video, get benefit. Bye bye, good night.